Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I'm going to do the revision for Unit Test 2. And in this video lesson, we will be doing the revision of lesson number 11. So, let's get started. Children, you have already learned what do we mean by rounding numbers. Okay, so now let us revise once again what are the steps for rounding off whole numbers, right? So, the first step is if the digit on the right of the rounding place, that is the place at which we have to round off the number, is greater than or equal to 5, we have to add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Otherwise, we do not change the digit at the rounding place. That is, if the digit on the right of the rounding place is less than 5, then we do not change the digit at the rounding place. That is the place at which we have to do the round off. Next step, we have to replace all the digits to the right of the rounding places by 0. Right? Means the place at which we have to do the round off. So, what we will do when we will round off, then in the round off step, the next step is that whatever digits are there on the right of the rounding place, we will replace those digits by 0. Now, children, our first kind of question is round off to the nearest 10. So, let us see some of the question and revise again how to do the round off to the nearest 10. Our first question is 12,647. Now, in this number, we have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So, first of all, what we are going to see? We will see the digit at the 10 place. And what is the digit at the 10 place? Well, the digit at the 10 place is 4. And the digit to the right of the 10 place in the number 12,647 is 7, right? So, the digit at the 10 place is 4 and digit to the right of the 10 place is 7. And now we will check whether 7 is equal to 5 or more than 5. So, we find out that 7 is more than 5. So, what we will do? We will add 1 to 4. Means we will add 1 to the digit at the rounding place, that is at the 10 place, which is 4. So we will add 1 to 4 and it will become 4 plus 1, 5. So what we will write? At the 10 place we will write 5 and to the right of the 10 place we will write we will replace the digit by 0. So we will replace 7 by 0 and therefore 12647 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 12650. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's do one more question. 39,944. In this number again the digit at the 10 place is 4 and the digit to the right of the tens place is 4. But 4 is less than 5. So we will not change the digit at the 10 place. It will remain 4 and we will replace the digit to the right of the 10 place, that is 4, by 0. So 39944 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 39940. Clear, children? Now, children, let's move to the next type of question, that is round off to the nearest 100. So, let's see the first question. In this question, the number is 143963, that is 43,963. And here, first of all, what we will see the digit at the round of place, which is the 100 place. So the digit at the 100 place is 9, and the digit to the right of the 100 place is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to 9, right? And when we will add 1 to 9, it will become 10. So again the 1 of this 10 will be carried to the digit at the 1000 place 3, and it will become 3 plus 1 4. So 143963 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 1,44,000. Clear? In the next question, it is 42,12,083. So the number is this, and what is the digit at the 100 place? It is 0. So now what we will see? We will see the digit to the right of the hundreds place, which is 8, and 8 is bigger than 5. So we will add 1 to 0, and it will become 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So the digit at the 100 place will become 1, and all the digit at on the right of the 100 place, that is 8 and 3, will be replaced by 0. So 4212,083 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 4212,100. That is 42,12,100. Now the next type of question is round off to the nearest 1,000. So let's see the example. Here in the example we have the number 9,10,734, and we have to round off this number to the nearest 1,000. So what is the digit at the nearest 1,000 place? It is 0. Okay, the digit at the 1,000 place is 0. And now the digit to the right of the thousands place is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to 0, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So digit at the 1,000 place will become 1, and all the digit to the right of the 1,000 place will be replaced by 0. Means 7 will be replaced by 0, 3 will be replaced by 0, and 4 will be replaced by 0. So 910734, rounding off this to the nearest 1,000 gives 9,11,000. Now children, in this question, we have the number, and the number is 36,48,271. We have to round off this number to the first is to the nearest lakhs. So when we will round off this number to the nearest lakh, we will first see what is the digit to the at the lakh position. So the digit at the lakh position is 6, and the digit to the right of the lakh position is, or to the right of the lakh place is 4, but 4 is less than 5. So we will not add anything to 6. We will not add 1 to 6, and therefore rounding off 36,48,271 to the nearest 1,000 will give 36 lakhs. Now we will round off the same number to the nearest 10 lakh. So what we have to find out? First of all, we will see the digit at the 10 lakh position or at the 10 lakh place. So the digit at the 10 lakh place is 3, and the digit to the right of the 10 lakh place in 36,48,271 is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 to 3. So 3 plus 1 will become 4. So now the digit at 10 lakh place will be 4, and all the digit to the right of the 10 lakh place will be replaced by 0. So rounding off 3648,271 to the nearest 1,000 gives 40 lakhs as the answer. Now, children, let's learn or let's revise the rounding off of decimal fraction. How we do the rounding off of decimal fractions. Children, a decimal fractions can be rounded off to the nearest one, tenth, hundredth, thousand, and so on. So, let's see the steps. Children, the steps for rounding off decimal fractions are: first, if the digit on the right of the rounding place is greater than or equal to 5, we add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Otherwise, that is, if it is less than 5, we do not change the digit at the rounding place. Second step, we will drop all the digits to the right of the rounding place. Drop means we will remove all the digits to the right of the rounding place. Now, children, let's begin the rounding off of decimal fraction with rounding off to the nearest one. So, children, we have the number 99.99. In this, we have to round off this number to the nearest one. So, what is the digit at the ones place? Well, the digit at the ones place is 9. And the digit to the right of the ones place in 99.99 is 9. As 9 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to 9. That is the digit at the ones place. We will add 1 to 9. So, rounding off 99.99 to the nearest one will give the number as 100. Now, let's come to the next type of question. Round off to one place of decimal. One place of decimal means to the nearest tenth. So, the number is 250.951. Children, in this number, the digit at the tenth place or to one place of decimal is 9. And the digit to the right of the tenth place in 250.951 is 5. As 5 is equal to 5, so add 1 to the digit at the tenth place, which is 9. So we will add 1 to 9. So rounding off 250.951 to the nearest tenth will give the number as 251. Now let's come to the another type of question, that is round off to the second place of decimal. Now what do we mean by second place of decimal? Well, it means to the nearest hundredth place. Second place of decimal is the hundredth place. So let's do this question. The question is, we have to round off this number 101.097. In this number, the digit at the 10th place is 0. The digit at the 100th place is 9. So, the digit to the right of the 100th place in 101.097 is 7. As 7 is greater than 5. So, what we will do? We will add 1 to the digit at the 100th place, that is 9, and we will add 1 to 9. So rounding off 101.097 to the nearest 100 gives 101.10. Okay, or we can say 101.1. Now next one is round off to the three place of decimal. Round off correct to three place of decimal. Now children, what do we mean by three place of decimal? Well, it means to the nearest thousandth place. So our number is 68.1396. And how we are going to round off this number? Let us see. To the third place of decimal? Well, first of all, we will see what is the number at the third place of decimal, and the third place of decimal is the thousand place. So the digit at the thousand place is 9. Now, the digit to the right of the thousand place is in 68.1396 is 6. As 6 is greater than 5, so what we will do? We will add 1 to the digit at the thousand place, which is 9. So we will add 1 to 9, right? And therefore, rounding off 68.1396 to the nearest thousand gives 68.140, right? Or we can say 68.14. Now, children, the next question is write the quotient rounded off to the first decimal place. So, children, here we have to divide 11 by 8, and whatever the quotient will come, we have to round that quotient to the first decimal place. So, the first step is we have to do the division of 11 by 8. So, when we divide 11 by 8, what do we get? First of all, since 11 can be divided by 8, so how 8 ones are 8. Now we will subtract 8 from 11. What do we get? We get 3. And now what we have to do? We have to put a point in the quotient, and then we can add 0 in the next step. So when we will add 0 with 3, what will it become? It will become 30. And now, children, we will divide 30 by 8. So it will come 24. 8 threes are 24. And now we will subtract 24 from 30. What do we get? We get 6. And now, since we have added point in the quotient, we can add 0 in every step. So we are adding 0 after 6, which the number becomes 60 in the third step. So now we will divide 60 by 8. So it will come as 56. 8 sevens are 56. Now, children, we will subtract 56 from 60, and what do we get? We get 4. So now we will stop the division here only, and we will see the question. The question is 1.37 and the remainder is 0, but we will not continue the division because we have to round off the question to the first place of decimal. So as soon as we get the second place of decimal in the question, we will stop the question, and now we will see the digit at the first place of decimal, which is 3. And what is the digit to the right of the first place of decimal? That is to the right of the 10th place. It is 7. As 7 is greater than 5, so 1.37 rounded off to the first place of decimal will become 1.4, because we will add 1 to the 3, and 3 plus 1 will be 4, and so it will become 1.4. So our quotient is 1.4 rounded off to the first place of decimal. So children, this way we have come to the end of this video lesson, which was the revision of lesson number 11, and I hope you have understood all the questions very well. So thank you, my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.